Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to open Copilot in Windows 11 step by step. First, take a look at your taskbar. That's the bar running along the bottom of your screen with all your app icons. You're looking for the Copilot icon, which should already be pinned there by default on most Windows 11 installations. You'll find it positioned next to the Task View button and just to the left of the File Explorer icon. The Copilot icon has the distinctive Copilot logo, so it's pretty easy to spot once you know where to look. If you don't see it, it may have been unpinned. Once you've located the Copilot icon on your taskbar, simply click it once. That's it, just a single click or tap on that icon. The moment you click it, the Copilot app launches instantly. You should see the Copilot window appear on your screen right away, and from there you can start typing or asking questions immediately. Now, the first time you open Copilot, you'll likely be asked to sign in with your personal Microsoft account. Signing in unlocks your chat history so you can come back to previous conversations, access to image creation tools, longer conversations without hitting limits, voice interactions, and the full feature set. You'll also need an active internet connection for Copilot to work properly. That's how you open Copilot in Windows 11. If this helped, a like and a subscribe would be appreciated. See you next time.